Hey guys, in this video, you're gonna learn how to consistently get more deals each and every month. Now, while you're here, I want you to also hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so it'll alert you to know when we upload fresh new content. But right now, let's get into getting more deals. Hey guys, it's Cody Hofhine with Wholesaling Inc., the #1 wholesaling coaching program in the nation. I'm excited to be with you today because how many of us want to do more deals each and every month? Hopefully you're all raising your hand. Hopefully you're all ready, because there's some simple little things that you can do with talking with your clients and how to run your business, how to operate your business. There's some simple things that you can do that, not by turning up your marketing, that won't cost you any money, that will also help you get more deals. So let's break this down real quick and easy in a way that will help you understand what it is that doesn't cost money, but allows you to get more deals each and every single month. I want you to think of the last time that, let's see, I'm trying to think of a story that'd be easy. Let's say church. Church is typically a place that you should be able to go and visit and feel good, right? And you think about some of the people, maybe the sermon or the speech or the talk that someone gives, and you leave there feeling good. And then you go maybe the next day and you're talking to your friends and you're like, oh man, this guy at my church last week, he shared the most amazing talk. And they look at you and you're like, awesome, what did he talk about? And you kind of have to rethink it and you're like, well, he talked about how when he was young, how he was like at Scouts, and then he was lost in the, I mean, he talked about basically how he was able to find his camp again, and you almost don't even remember the story. But why was it powerful enough that you would go to that meeting with your friends, with your family, and say, oh man, I went and I heard this amazing story on Sunday. And you may not even remember the story. It's because that individual that maybe gave that sermon, that speech, that talk, said something that you're not going to remember what they said, but you will remember how they made you feel. So I want you to think about this. This is a powerful quote, and I want you to really consider this when you're on each and every one of your appointments. Not many people are going to remember what you say, but they do remember how you made them feel. Think about that. Let that pour over you for a little bit. Because at the end of the day, you've got to differentiate yourself from every single wholesaler, investor out there that are just out there kind of doing the Charlie Brown mom talk, the womp 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 womp. They will never remember. Everyone, if your pitch is the exact same every single time and it's, hey, we can do it for cash. Hey, we can close quickly. Hey, we can do it without having any real estate fees or any commissions or any closing costs. And you can do this as is. Womp, 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 womp. They will not remember one thing you said, because the other investor that comes in, they're going to say the same thing. Hey, we can do cash, and we can do this, and we can do this. Womp, 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 womp. Now, I know that's obnoxious, that's annoying, but I'm telling you this because it's so true. They will not remember what you say. But if you're going to get a deal that night, a contract signed or an agreement signed that night, or have the shot to come back maybe a day later or a week later or a month later and get that agreement signed, it's not going to be because of what you said. It's because of the way you made them feel. So when you're on the appointment, it has very little to do with the home. It has very little to do with it. You can close quickly. You can do it with cash. You can do no real estate fees, no commissions, and also you can buy it as is. Nah, that's just talk, guys. They will not remember that. In fact, how many times have you gone on an appointment for the second time? And they're like, okay, now what was your offer again? Or they say, now part of your offer, what was the benefits? What came with that again? And you have to start all over, and you have to share that you're going to do it cash and as is. They don't even remember this. But they're giving you a second shot because there was something special about you. There was something that made them feel good and feel good about getting you out there again to see if they could do business with you. So when you go on these appointments, I want you to really consider to not make it about the house. Make it about them. There's going to be 3, 4, 5 other investors that are going to go through that house. What are you going to do today to differentiate yourself, to make them feel good and to make them really feel good and wanting to do business with you and not just the Charlie Brown moms, right? We don't want to be that person. We want to be this person that's out there helping individuals, serving individuals, loving individuals so that you can get the contract. So when you go out to these appointments and they say, hey, so you're here to look at the house. Let me show you some of the problems already. Like in this kitchen right here, and you're going to be like, whoa, like slow them down and say, hey, I noticed this picture on the side of the wall. What a beautiful family. My family, it looks like your kids are the same age as my kids. How old's your daughter? She's 8? Oh my goodness, I have a daughter that's 8 years old. Her name's Kenley. She loves art. She loves playing tennis. And what does your daughter love doing? Oh, she loves swing sets out back. She goes out there and she's swinging all the time. She loves playing with dolls. And you can start to find some common grounds on how, man, if my daughter was here, she would love that swing set too. And then maybe you look at another picture. Oh my goodness, that's a beautiful picture. Where's that taken? Oh, that was down in Moab, Utah, that Arches National Park. Oh my goodness, me and my family went there last year. We love that place. That is such a beautiful place. I cannot believe the red rock down there and when the sun hits it and the sunsets and the sunrise, like that place is just beautiful. And you start to just talk with them, build rapport, and you start to break down those barriers. It's not about the house, guys. It's about solving real problems and helping them feel really good about doing business with you. So next time you go on an appointment, what you should learn from this video is just simply not focus on the home. It's not about real estate. It's not about home. It's about how you make them feel. It's about rapport. It's about realizing that people do business with people they trust. So work more on the things that are going to matter, that are going to give you the shot at getting that contract, the shot at getting that second call or that second appointment to come back and renegotiate and re-talk out the terms and what it's going to be before they sign on the dotted line. Because they don't remember what you say. They only remember how you made them feel. Now down below, I want you to think of one way that you are going to change today, not tomorrow, because it's all about action, right? We always talk about knowledge being power. No, knowledge when taking action upon that knowledge, right? When you take action on that knowledge, that's power. Power doesn't happen until you execute. So you got to get out there and do it. So what are you going to do today that's going to allow you to really get in there and help them feel good about doing business with you? What is it? What are some questions you're going to do? How are you going to slow them down? Share down below. And I would love to chime in and really add some value to some of these questions that you're going to ask them and add value to some of these things you're going to come up with so that you can get out there and help people feel really good about doing business with you. Now, while you're here, I also want you to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so it alerts you to let you know when we upload fresh new content, and I'll see each one of you on the next YouTube video. Take care, guys.